In this video, we are going to show you how to get 20% off for 3 months on Minea. Now, if you click on the link that we have provided in the description below, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So you can click on log in to create a new page, or you can click here, try for free. It's the same thing. You can create a free account, and there you can put the promo code Sensei, and you're going to get your first 3 months with 20% off. Or if you go to the second link, which is a premium plan, where you can unlock all the features of Minea. Everything is going to be unlocked, which is pretty much important if you're going to use this service to the maximum. Same thing, click start now. And again, offer applies forever, and you can cancel at any time. So when you get this pop-up, which is your checkout page, all we need to do is click on add promotion code, like so, and put in Sensei as your promo code, click apply. You're going to still get a 20% off for 3 months. And as you can see, 20% off for 3 months. And you just go through the typical checkout process and you will be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.